Okay, so here I have the settings of the website. I have the about, bodies, contact word. The code runs fine, but it doesn't work on GitHub Pages. I might have done something wrong. But here's the running code for the website. I have Audible and Ipsum because I don't feel like adding my information just yet. At least not before tweaking a few things. But this is the overall build of the base. And I have GitHub right here. I have it running on GitHub Pages at the moment, but I'll get it. But for some reason, I guess it didn't like that I added images. So I'll have to redo that when I'm done with this. And that's it. I have 4 pages. I think I followed everything to try.